Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means I have the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs. I haven't done one of these in a little while, so I thought I would finally join in. I've been having a hard time trying to get time to actually do videos, but I'm trying to get back into it. I just posted a video on Saturday. That was my mani box, so check that out if you haven't seen it. And I am posting today, so we're going to do today's video. The host for this one is Dina's Nail Art, and the theme for this week is what do you love about Christmas or December. So yeah, I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video like always, and I will leave their links down below in the description box, so be sure to check everyone out. They always do an amazing job, so definitely check out their channels and their Instagrams as well. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you what's on my nails and what we're going to be using in the tutorial. So right now I have kind of a mix of stuff going on here. So I started with Bio Seaweeds Gel. This is the stronger base. I usually do gel nails because I find they last longer since I wash my hands a lot at work and stuff like that. So gel's been working for me. And then I used Madame Glam Soak Off Gel Polish, and this is Perfect White. So that is on my ring finger and my pinky. And then for the other ones, I used Bio Seaweed Gel 3-Step Color in Granny Smith. So that's on these three here. That's my base for that. And then I used my top coat of Bio Seaweed Gel No Wipe Top Coat. So that is what is on my base. And then over top of the white on these two, I have painted polishes, and this is Here to Patty. I love this one. I love all the glitters. It's so pretty. And then on the other fingers, I also have painted polish, and this one is a Sugar Rush Crush. You don't really get a lot of this color on here. You can kind of see the Granny Smith through there, but I think it looks kind of cool. It almost looks like a thermal a little bit at the end. But that is that, and I really wanted those flaky glitters in there because I love the flaky glitters right now. I'm really into that. So that is my base right now on my nails. So two of my favorite things during this time of year is I really like the Christmas lights, but I don't really have a lot of stamps for that, so we're gonna make it work. And then I like the snow. I don't like snow for like all year round, but I do love having snow at Christmas, and I really like the Christmas lights, so I thought I'll go with that. So I'm going to be using this stamping plate. So this is the Celebration Board Pretty Store L008 stamping plate. So I'm going to be using some of the snowflakes and stuff, and then I think this one kind of looks like Christmas lights, so I'm going to go with that one. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and start that. The stamping polishes I'm going to be using are the Born Pretty Store, and this one does not have a name on it. I think they're on the box. Hold on. I'm thinking this is the White Knight series. Okay, so this one doesn't have one, but this one has a name on it. So this is another one I'm using. This is a Born Pretty Store, and this is the White Knight series, and this one is called Pure, and I think the other one might be Time Fly. I'm not really sure because it doesn't actually say it on there, unfortunately. It is silver, but yeah, so we're going to use those, and then I'm going to use my Beautometry stamper that I got in my mani box, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to stamp, I think, some of the snowflakes. I'm going to use the white to do that. And then I really do like the stamping polish so far. It does stamp really well. It just, the smell is really strong. I don't know if that's a same problem that you guys have, but it is very, very strong. Alright, I think we'll do the lights next. And I think we'll use that cute little snowman. Alright, so that is the finished design. If you think this one looks a little bit different, it's because I had to redo it because when I did my top coat, it smudged the snowman. So I had to do him again, and he's a little bit smudged, unfortunately, but I wasn't going to do it over and over again. But yeah, so that is the finished design. I hope you guys like it. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.